Getting ready to make another blackstone video. We'll make sweet potato and onions, tilapia, of course in butter. These are fresh brown eggs from Berryville. Miss Hebner raises these chickens. And the secret ingredients is RAMPS. Very good. Them RAMPS only come out a couple times a year. Let's get started. Oh yeah. Put my RAMPS on next. These RAMPS only come out a couple times a week in Virginia. Cook them up, saute them up a little bit. Delicious. All right, I'll check back with you later if I do. The potatoes, put some water around it. Cover them with a pan. Works every time. Sweet potatoes. Oh yeah. They're looking good. I like them. I'm gonna move over here. About done. Oh yeah. Let me butter on them. Cover them back up. All right, let's get ready for the fish. Turn this down. More butter. Oh yeah. It'll be good. Let the fish put on. It's really windy here today. All right, I'll check back with you. Ready to put the eggs on. These are Rhode Island red eggs. Delicious. They're delicious. They're raised in Berryville, Virginia. Miss Hebner's eggs. And they are delicious. All right, I'll check back with you later. To plate everything, Looking good. Check back with you later. Here it is. Sweet potato and onions. The secret ingredient is RAMPS. They only come out a couple of weeks out of the year. 2 Miss Heavener's Rhode Island red eggs and tilapia.